Thank you for having me in your great clinic and sharing so generously your wisdom, your knowledge, your energy. I appreciate very, very much the holistic approach that you have to patients and every minute that I spent here with you. Once again, I found again the holistic approach you offer to the patient outstanding. So I took a lot of lessons with me, the way you're treating them, how you're evaluating them. It's not just a procedure. Sometimes as surgeons, we're drawn very much into the technical details. But the way you're treating patients is phenomenal. So I took a lot of lessons from that plastic procedure, which I found fascinating. Thank you very much for again, once again, sharing your and teaching. So better, excellent mentors, excellent outcomes.